Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed, and click the bell notification. All right, let's get on to today's dish. I think I've said everything YouTube wants me to say. Leave a comment. Makes the video go nutty. All right, today we have a triple cheese lime quesadilla. First thing we got to do is make our sour cream lime sauce. So in a bowl, I have 8 ounces or 1 cup of sour cream, a clove of minced garlic. Now I am going to be using the zest of 1 lime, followed by the juice of that lime, and then just tiny whisk everything together and set it in the fridge and leave it alone till it's time to make our quesadillas. Okay, we've got our tortilla shell. I'm adding some of the lime cream sauce. Then we're going to add our triple cheese blend, which consists of cheddar, Monterey Jack, and pepper jack. Then we're just going to fold this over and place it on the griddle. And then just make sure your griddle's nice and hot. Put a little melted butter for a nice little toasty sheen. And give this a couple of minutes to toast up. And then just, you're looking for a nice little golden brown, something a little like that. All right, a couple of more minutes. We'll be ready to serve. All right. That's pretty much it. Just slice it into slices. And that's a lime triple cheese quesadilla. Done.